Meaning of face saving.
Face saving.
Face saving.
Face saving.
Face saving. Face saving refers to the act of preserving one's reputation or dignity in a situation where they might be embarrassed or lose face. This can involve finding ways to avoid admitting fault or saving face in the eyes of others. The result of face saving can be positive in that it helps individuals maintain their image and social standing, but it can also be negative in that it can prevent individuals from acknowledging mistakes or taking responsibility for their actions. Overall, face saving is an important aspect of many cultures and social interactions around the world.